Hi guys, welcome back to Automobile Infos. This is how you use the remote key features of your Mahindra Born Electrics. So first you press the lock button. You see these? Then you double press, and when you press it the second time, you keep it pressed for a few seconds. The bottom button. When you do this, you see that the mirrors unfold, which means the vehicle is now ready to be driven. Then you have these buttons here. This is to move the car ahead, this is to move the car behind. So I keep this pressed, and now even though the steering is turned, you can see that it will straighten the wheel itself, and with the key you can move it ahead. The moment you release the button, it will stop, and with this button you can also move it back. हाँ जी नहीं बैटमैन एडिशन. Now with this button you can also move it back. So I keep it pressed and the blinkers start working, the car releases the brake and it moves behind. The moment you release the button, it stops. Now be sure there is a slight 1 second delay, so it does have sensors, so it won't really bang into something, but you still worry. So this was how to use your remote park features explained in just 2 minutes. I didn't really see a clear video on YouTube and had to spend some time figuring it out. So if you like this video, be sure to subscribe, share the video, like. Thank you so much for watching. Drive safe and have a happy journey.